Question 1. Right, this looks like a question about upper and lower bounds. Let's have a look. Right, we've got a formula for P, and then we're given A, C, and D, each one correct to a different degree of accuracy, and we're being asked to work out the upper bound for the value of P and to give our answer to 2 decimal places. Right, well, generally, with a question like this, before you do any more thinking, simply work out the upper and the lower bound of each of your variables. So A is 58.4, and that's correct to 3 significant figures. So my upper bound is going to be 58.45, and my lower bound 58.35. Let's have a look at C. Now C is 20, correct to 2 significant figures. So I'm going to go 20.5 and 19.5. And then I've got D, which is 3.6, correct to 2 significant figures. So 3.65 and 3.55. And now let's write down this formula for P. P is 2 times A minus C, all divided by D. Now I want the upper bound for P. So I'm going to put a up arrow there. Now if I want the upper bound, then I'm going to want the numerator here to be as high as possible. So I want the highest possible A's, and I want to subtract away the lowest possible C. And that will make the numerator as high as possible. And if I want the highest possible P, then I want to divide by the lowest possible number. So I'm going to choose the lowest possible D, because if I divide by a lower number, I get a higher answer. So that is what I'm going to need to substitute in here. Twice times the highest possible A, subtract the lowest possible C, all divided by the lowest possible D. Okay, so I'm going to put that in my calculator. I'm going to use the fraction function. 2 times 58.45 minus 19.5 and divided by 3.55. Right, that gives me 27.4366 and so on. And I'm asked for the answer to 2 decimal places, so 27.44. And that is question 1.